The H1 Duo concept represents a bold reimagining of the smartphone, addressing a long-standing dilemma for users: small phone, big phone, or both. This innovative concept is designed to give users the freedom of choice, combining the convenience of a compact, pocket-friendly device with the immersive experience of a larger screen when needed. In its smaller form, the H1 Duo is easy to carry, perfect for quick tasks, messaging, or casual browsing without feeling bulky in your hand or pocket. But when it's time to watch movies, play games, or multitask with multiple apps, it transforms into a bigger, tablet-like display that delivers a rich and immersive experience, making productivity and entertainment more enjoyable than ever. The H1 Duo concept doesn't just focus on size. It's about flexibility and adaptability to modern lifestyles. It envisions a future where users no longer have to compromise between portability and performance, between convenience and immersion. Whether you're a student taking notes on the go, a professional handling multiple apps at once, or a content creator editing on the fly, the H1 Duo adapts to your needs seamlessly. With its clever design and futuristic appeal, this concept challenges the boundaries of traditional smartphones and offers a glimpse into a world where one device can truly do it all. It's not just a small phone or a big phone. It's both perfectly tailored to the way we live, work, and play.